Okay, we're replacing a roller pump today, and this is the new one, but this is a different one to this, because this one here is supposedly chemical resistant, where this isn't. This is just a steel roller pump. But the thing is, I'm only getting about 6 to 8 months out of these before they start degrading, and to be honest, I've been through 4 of them now, and they're about 400 quid each, so they're not cheap. But this one, this is cheap compared to this. This is 150 quid, and it's the same pump really, but a steel pump. So I'll show you what's inside here, and then you'll get a good idea of how they work. So what we've got here is just the O-ring, the seal, the O-ring there. There's also a shaft that goes through here, obviously. And then what we have is the roller. Well, these are the rollers, the 4 rollers. And that's how it works. That goes in there, the rollers spin round, comes in and then comes out. You can regulate these pumps, so you can have, they go up to 27 litres a minute, but obviously with the engine speed you just dial it down to whatever you need, and I think they're about 10 bar pressure, so not a bad pump, to be honest, not a bad pump. But what I think is, what happens is with these, I think they just wear out over time here, and when you start getting the leaks. You can buy the roller kits. I have done this, but they haven't really lasted long. You get new rollers and new seals and whatnot, but that's just a part of the pump that you don't get. The kit resembles the rollers and the seals. Anyway, this one's knackered, ready for the scrappy. So that's how they work really. Oh, also, here are the bearings. So these are the bearings. These are not the bearings for this pump, these are for something else, but they are the same sort of bearings but different size, and then they go in this housing area here, and then the housing area at the back there as well. But like I say, this pump is knackered, so we'll get rid of that. Now this pump is the new pump. Now this is the steel version, which is not chemical resistant, but I also think that this will be absolutely fine if you just wash it out after every use. I still expect to get 6 months out of this pump. You can see them there, there's all the rollers and things. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. This is a Hypro 410 roller pump XL, and it is running on a Honda GX 120 engine. Now I've got a couple of snide parts here from eBay, which is this cover here, the cowling cover, and the actual pull start. We've got a new fuel tank and a new exhaust. Now these are not genuine parts, but the main engine block is Honda, and I've refurbished that, so that's all ready to go and good to go. Starts up first time. I've also put a new carburettor on here as well. So this is the backup machine really. So we're going to stick the new pump on there. So there's the old pump. Still works, just needs, well, it's fucked really. Cheers. So we've got to get these lined up with these bolts here. That'll just go on, because that is a flat shaft which is there. As you can see, it's all lined up there, and that'll go straight into there because that is the flat edge there. Perfect. See what I mean? Then we put the retaining bolt on. Little tap. Not too much. And then we tighten these retaining screws down. Don't take long. That'll be ready. So you got your pump ready to go then. Bish bash bosh. In there. Let's see if it starts. And there it is, a new pump built. So there we have it, folks. There is the pump replaced onto the engine. Okay, thanks for watching the channel, and please subscribe below where I'm clicking here, and give us a click on the bell to be notified on my new videos. Cheers.